Alright, so we're given this function f of x equals mx, where m is greater than 0. Our limit is 6m. Our value of interest, our x naught, equals 6, and our error is 0.07. And we want to find the open interval, so open interval means parentheses, that this inequality will hold. So the first thing you want to do is just start plugging stuff in. So plug in your f of x, plug in your limit, and plug in epsilon. So that's going to give me mx minus 6m less than 0.07. Now I'm going to do my plus or minus, so I'm going to have negative 0.07 less than mx minus 6m less than 0.07. I want to solve this in the middle for x, so probably the best thing to do first would be to factor out an m. So that leaves me x minus 6, because all I did was factor out an m. Now what I can do is I can divide each term by m to cancel that out. And then finally, the last step is I can add 6 to all three pieces. So I get x by itself, so I end up with 6 minus 0.07 over m less than x less than 6 plus 0.07 over m. So my interval then, to write this in interval notation, would just simply be the left side, comma, the right side. So that's my interval. The second part wants you to find the value of delta, okay, that holds for this definition. So to do that, this was my step 1, and now let's just do it over here. I'm going to do my step 2 to find the value of delta. So I'm going to have x minus x naught less than delta. My x naught is right here, which is 6. So I'm going to do my plus and minus, which now if I add, I'm sorry, that's a terrible looking delta. And so now I'm going to add 6 to all three pieces. So I get 6 minus delta and 6 plus delta. I set this equal to the lower value, this equal to the upper value, and I solve for delta. So I'm going to have 6 minus delta equals 6 minus 0.07 over m, or as you can see, the 6's are going to cancel, and I'm going to end up with delta equals 0.07 over m. If I do the same thing for this side, I'm going to have 6 plus delta equals this side, 6 plus 0.07 over m. And again, the 6's, if I move this over here, the 6's are going to cancel, and I get the same value for my delta, which makes that my final answer.